It took me 30 years to learn this about cleaning, and if I knew it earlier, I could have saved a lifetime of scrubbing, crying, and wondering why my socks keep mysteriously disappearing. Seriously, this one secret changes everything. Motivation is a myth. Here's what took me 3 decades to realize: motivation is useless. Motivation is like a cat, it shows up randomly, ignores you most of the time, and occasionally knocks over your cereal for fun. Motivation once promised me a sparkling kitchen. Instead, it brought a donut and a guilt trip. Clean homes don't wait for inspiration, they build routines. It's like training a tiny army of obedient habits. And habits, they don't care if you're tired, hangry, or questioning your life choices. Small wins are everything. Step 2: small wins beat marathon cleaning. Don't try to clean the whole house in one epic sweat drenched battle. You'll just cry into your mop. Instead, do tiny tasks daily. Even 5 seconds wiping a counter counts if you pretend you're a ninja on a cleaning mission. Bonus, your dust bunnies will fear you personally. 3 minutes a day adds up, and suddenly your kitchen looks like a miracle, not a crime scene. Zones, not chaos. Step 3: create zones. Stop cleaning randomly. Designate your kitchen, your bathroom, your living room, even your cat's nap spot if you want to. Your cat will judge you anyway, but at least the judgment is organized. Focus on one zone at a time, like a boss, and resist the urge to tackle everything at once. Chaos is the enemy, and it leaves fingerprints. Cleaning while you do other things. Step 4: clean while doing other things. Waiting for your coffee to brew? Wipe the counter. Microwave beeped? Quick swipe. Laundry spinning? Fold one sock and call it progress. If multitasking were an Olympic sport, my sponge would have a gold medal. The secret: time doesn't disappear while you wait. You just didn't notice all the tiny wins building up. Trash is a traitor. Step 5: deal with trash immediately. Trash doesn't stay loyal, it mutinies. Old food smells worse than my last haircut. Don't let it plot against you. Trash cans have a dark sense of humor. They enjoy silently judging leftovers from 3 weeks ago. Empty it often, and suddenly your kitchen stops looking like a post apocalyptic set for a cooking show. Timing tricks. Step 6: timing is everything. Do the stuff that can pile up while your brain is busy elsewhere. Oven preheating, clean counters. Water boiling, sweep the floor. I sometimes time my cleaning like a game show. Beat the beep or face eternal crumbs. You'll finish faster than you realize, and your house will feel like it's mocking your past self, in a nice way. Rewards make you human. Step 7: reward yourself. Yes, cleaning is work, but it's also a triumph. Maybe it's coffee, maybe it's a tiny victory dance, maybe it's a cookie. My cookie once said, "Finally, I get eaten for a good reason." Celebration makes the habit stick, and your brain stops thinking cleaning is torture. It starts thinking it's a game you can actually win. The secret you won't believe. And here's the 30-year secret: cleaning is faster if you don't overthink it. Stop planning, stop hesitating, stop talking yourself out of it. Clean like your future self will high five you sarcastically. And if your socks run away during cleaning, let them. They're just rebelling creatively. So remember, motivation is a liar, small wins are your best friend, zones are your secret weapon, and multitasking is your superpower. Clean smart, not long. Hit that subscribe button for more ridiculously practical hacks, sarcastic wisdom, and tiny victories you never knew you needed. Your future self and your socks will thank you.